Check out this awesome way in which you can update your app's theme. Upon tapping this button, a circular animation covers the entire screen and then the theme is applied everywhere. I've used Riverpod for state management. Let's start by creating a theme provider which will manage the theme state. It will have just a toggle theme function which updates the state object with its complement. Moving back to the content screen, I will convert this stateful widget into a consumer stateful widget in order to use Riverpod. And listen to changes in the theme provider using ref.watch to show the appropriate icon. Let's create a circular clipper. We animate the radius of this clipper to achieve the ripple effect that we want. Code for this entire project is linked in the description. Now in the content screen, we'll wrap everything within a stack, return clip path with circular clipper, and pass a container with the appropriate color based on the current theme. Let's add some animation by including the ticker provider state mixin, then define an animation controller, and an animation for the radius of the clipper which goes from 0 to 1200, then call the animate function on it. And don't forget to add this listener on the animation. Then pass the value of the radius animation to the radius of the circular clipper. Let's provide some functionality to this action button. First, we're going to call the toggle theme function from theme provider, then reset the clipper animation controller and call the forward method on it. Once the animation is completed, we'll set background color property to the appropriate color based on the theme. Next, we'll define this background color property, initialize it over here, and apply it on this container. And that's about it. This was fast-paced, so let me know if you'd like a more detailed version with different state management solutions.